The end of one challenge is the starting of your next level. Hello, guys. Welcome to the 29 of AI for Productivity. And wow, it's been 29 days of learning, planning, and growing. Now, let's be here for the next 30 days, and AI can help you design your next phase. Maybe focusing on health, business, or learning a new skills. You're going to challenge yourself to continue using all the skills you've learned here for the next 30 days. Okay? So, our prompt for today is based on what I've learned this month, help me design a 30 days plan for my next goal, right? So tomorrow is going to make it day 30 of year for productivity. So let's agree that from day 1 to day 30 is a whole 1 month, right? So now, what do we want to do next? From what we've learned so far, what is our next phase we're about to go into? Right, so let's design something for us. So we click on enter. All right, so here we have it, and you can see it says great. And here is a simple, powerful 30 days plan for your next goal. Based on everything we've learned, this month we've learned about productivity, focus, calmness, and consistency. So using all this is going to make something up for us. So let's just go into what it has done for us. So 30 days plan for your next goal. Week 1, build your clarity and setup. Team, understanding your goal plus what? Remove confusion. So define your goal clearly, what you want to achieve, and why does it matter, right? So that's cool. So the two, break it into weekly milestones. Yeah, for week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4, making 1 month. That's 30 days now. And the 3 list obstacle that stop you before things you've experienced before, like procrastination, social media, or lack of time, any of those things. Therefore, create your environment, organize workspace, and it's actually a whole lot, right? Because if I start to read this one by one, this video is going to be super long, right? So it's something you can try on your hand as well. It's going to give you probably the same thing based on what you've been putting down. It might be different from this based on the information you'll be giving it, right? Letting it know about you, and that's what it's going to recommend to you, right? So this is from day 1 to 30, right? Step by step things you have to do for the next 30 days, right? And you can see the 30 says celebrate plus choose your next goal, right? Well, I know by the 30, that will be next year already, right? And between those days, like New Year on the 1st, also on Christmas Day, there'll be a lot of activity. So you might not really follow through. So but you can adjust all this and also tell it to start from, let's say you want to start maybe after the 30, which is tomorrow. You want to start, you want it to start the month, and you can also tell it to put in mind that okay, Christmas is coming, the new year, because these days you might not really have your time to yourself. You might need to do this or family, all this kind of thing. So it's not the regular work day, that kind of thing. Right. So it's good to adjust it and just give you one more plan that work for you. And if you also want to start by January, maybe you want to start January 1st, you want to start working on that goal from January 1st, you want to start living by this from January 1st. I think you should put that on your New Year resolution, right? And try and see how you can work step by step each day to achieve a particular goal. I think that's something you should try. I think everyone should try, right? So it makes sense. It makes sense this coming by this time towards this end of the year, right? So, and it says here again, want me to customize it for your exact next goal. So it is asking us a question: what is your next goal, right? What do you want to do next? Yeah, you want to start a business, you want to improve our grades as a student, right? You want to build discipline or save money or learn a skill. So whatever it is that your next goal is, you want it to customize it so you can achieve that thing, whatever business it is. It will ask you a question, what business you're going into. Then you can just tell it and it will customize it to fit that thing you want to pursue for that next phase. Okay. So that's what we'll be doing for today. So tomorrow, which is our last day, we're going to be wrapping up everything we've learned so far and also what's next, right? So you can check the link on my bio if you want to get the book for this whole thing we've been doing for 30 days. You want more in-depth insight and see more practical use cases, right? So the book is called Boost Your Time Management with AI, right? If you want to boost your time management with AI, you should get this book. All right. So live, love, life, and learn. Thank you.